Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie Nicole here. Thank you for coming back. If you've been here before, if this is your first time, then hey, how you doing? I had to stop working out and put on my clothes because somebody conveniently left their lunchbox sitting on the beanbag, okay? Oh, you know what? Me and this camera gonna fight. Shit, it's cold in here. Well, I'm off to take this damn lunch to this little boy. I don't know who little boy he is today, because we don't do this. Y'all, how I ended up at Goodwill instead of the school first, the world will never know. When I got in the door, y'all already know, this leopard, that would attract my attention, but I realized I'm a monkey in this damn thing. But I didn't get it, and I got this little set right here. So I ended up going to Walmart, but let me back up a little bit. That pink outfit that still had the tags on it, like, Goodwill, when do we start charging two different prices for the top and the bottom? It's the whole set. Like, when we start charging $10 for pajamas, like, the world is stupid. Like, y'all get over any way y'all can. It's not enough that y'all getting the shit free from people that's donating, but y'all making a damn double buck off of it. Like, I love shopping at Goodwill and thrifting and everything, but it's gonna get a little bit short until nobody's gonna need to support that shit no more, because I might as well went to the store to get it. Yeah, it's a little cheaper, but $10 for a set, and it's hung on the two hangers together, but they charge separate for the top and the bottom. Like, where we doing that at? Because I know I've always went to Goodwill, and if it was a set, it was a damn set. If it was $4.89 for the set, that's what you paid. $4.89 each. And then taxes and everything. Like, I'm still baffled, but that's going to cut my time down on shopping at Goodwill or anywhere else, because that's some bullshit right there. It's cute, but it wasn't that goddamn cute. But since I was already up there and wasted my time, I went ahead and got it, and I said, ain't this a set? She was like, well, our manager have us, tag them separate. Well, your manager need to get with the program, because, baby, I'm gonna do some research, because it's gonna no. I'll have selective items I get when I go to Goodwill, because I'll be damn. The hell? Always somebody got to ruin it. But anywho, came out of there and went to Walmart, and I completely forgot. I dropped the bag. I completely forgot the whole reason why I was thrown off track in the first place. Got in Walmart and was strolling around looking for the seats or whatever for the bleachers, and I was like, oh shit, the lunch. Called the school and see, what time they do the lunch or whatever, because I got 3 here, so sometimes I can't remember who eats at what time and everything. So I called the office just to make sure, and they said at 12:17. I said, okay, well, is it too late to bring it? Because it was like 12:05 at the time. She was like, no, we can just call into the office. And I'm like, I ran to go get the milk. That was the last thing I had to get. Ran to get the cash out, and got to the school at dang gone, because the Walmart is right around the corner. I should have stopped here first, but like I said, I forgot the whole mission. I dropped the bag. But, well, no, he dropped the bag because he shouldn't have left his goddamn lunch. But, I got here at like, was it like 12? Between 12 and 12, because I was already in the office at 12:17. I had to park and everything or whatever. But come to find out, whoever I talked to, I really got to start remembering the names or whatever, because they'd be like, hi, I'm so and so and so, and by the end of the conversation, I don't even know. I know it ain't just me. But yeah, come to find out, she asked me what grade and all of that. She told me 12, 17. Got here and I gave the person at the desk the lunch. They called them and something just says stand in the waiting area to see, because I wanted to make sure I see it get in his hand. Because you know some people at the front desk, they be dropping the balls, and they done let me down too many times for me not to make sure my baby lunch is in his hand and he eat for the day. Okay. Because a lot of times I've went to multiple schools, the front office said they're going to do something, and they get so boggled down, and everybody walking in, they jump to the next one, and boom, just skipped over what I came in for, called for, or whatever, and then, hey, nobody want to take responsibility at the end of the day when something didn't get done. Guess they said that was going to get done. But anyway, they told me 12, 17. I get here, they already ate lunch. So I told her, I said, I need you to call him or whatever so I can make sure he ate something or eat something right now before I leave. Because I'm not leaving until I know my baby done eat. Look, what you think this is? I don't care about what you do with yours. But mine's going to get what they need. So he came in, he ain't ate nothing. So I politely got the hand sanitizer and stuff, and he ate right there in the office with me. Or whatever, while me and the lady, it wasn't her fault, because that wasn't even the person that I talked to that gave me the wrong time, because the universe already know, because I would have felt some type of way and she would have got the energy, baby. I don't even know who it was, but that lady didn't do it. So okay, we sat there and talked about gardening and whatnot or whatever, you know, or whatnot. But when my baby got finished, hey babe, it was nice talking to you, gotta go. But now I'm still sitting in the parking lot right now because I'm getting ready to head to this food bank, because I got some stuff I want to go and put in this little food thing. You know, the little things that be set outside, you know, that you could just put food in, donations of food, instead of me throwing it in the trash or giving it to my greedy people in the community. Nobody want to goddamn respond to anything else other than when you put something up there for free. Don't play with me. I give it to the church or whatever, these little food free boxes on the side of the road, before I give it to y'all sometime, you ass. But anywho, that's where I'm headed now, and see if I can get back on track, because like I said, this wasn't planned, and I was supposed to be in the office right now uploading Amazon products and all of that, but I'm a mother and some things don't go as planned. I'll show y'all what I got when I get home. So yeah, I better be getting on, because it's 12:46 and they'll be home in a couple of hours. My day's shot, but I'm gonna get done what I can. So until then, I bought some hand warmers and some foot warmers for when we go out there. It was cold yesterday, okay? It was cold. Bring me the seat. You took it upstairs. What else did I get? Yeah, it was $60 worth of stuff. And this little cushion, because he don't have the they don't have the seat that we have. Bring me that no, the thermos right here, and the things up for the step. I need this. What? For a batting glove. Oh, I got this right here to put some something hot in here for me.
Fire.
And I bought some honey stingers, some energy chews. I wanted to try these because I was over there looking at something else, and I was like, let me see. I know I had another bag.
I'm getting taller than her.
That one ain't it?
I'm getting taller than her.
I got, oh no. What else did I get? Oh, and I got this little shirt right here. This is I think $14. I had a white one that I got from Goodwill a while back, and I loved it. So yeah, it was only $12.90. $12.98.
What? It got too small?
No, it's in the closet. I didn't have a black one, duh.
And
I got a couple of bags of the warmers, but yeah. And I got this. I'm taking this back though, because the other one was only $3.50 on sale, but I didn't know what size it was, and I didn't want to open it in the store. Let me stop lying. I tried to open the other one in the store, but I couldn't get it open. So I'm gonna take this one back and keep the other one. I already took it out in the garage. But to put the boy, going somewhere. Put the you don't ever be doing nothing of substance. This won't be seen. I wanted to put the balls out of the garage in there so they won't roll around, you know, in the garage. But I was looking for one for them to take to school, like a small one, because they be wanting to take their basketball and football. And, you know, if you put it on the floor while you're in the classroom, then they be rolling around. But if you put it in a mesh bag, it don't go nowhere. Y'all know the ones that used to be in the PE room back in our days or whatever. Don't act like you don't know. But yeah, that's what I got from the store today. I'm not going to be able to cook because we should be rolling out in a few. So we going to have to stop and get something to eat again today. Yesterday we ate at McDonald's. I didn't know that it was going to be a 2-day tryout. You can turn around.
I didn't know either.
Again, I didn't know it was going to be a 2-day tryout. No, letting people know who's messing up my schedule. Roach lip. But we're gonna just stop and get something on the way or when we're leaving, I guess. But yeah. So I don't know. I might let y'all see a little something when we get there. I forgot about everything. Yesterday it was cold. I had my little coffee or whatever to stay warm, but these feet was cold, so I made sure I went and got them foot ones and some more of the hand ones, because we didn't have none of these yesterday, but we got them today. And these right here was on sale. It's the value pack of 8, and they on sale for $4.50. You know, let's get ready to start back warming up. I guess they want to sell them. They must have a expiration date. Yeah. But anywho, it's still 2027, so I don't know why they're trying to get rid of them, but they only $4.50. The regular price is $7.98. These, the regular price is $7.98, but these weren't on sale. But anywho, see you when we get there.
She took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost.